state of Texas is getting ready for the winter weather event we are about to experience.
As people brace for the bitter cold and potentially dangerous icy roads, there's also concern about whether we're going to be able to stay warm indoors. For more on this, let's go to Fox 4's Sean Rabb. Sean.
Plumbers are urging you to act early before temperatures drop this weekend. And tomorrow, really, to prepare your home or whatever you need to do, run out to the store maybe before this weekend.
Yeah, this is the time that I like to say, don't panic, just start prepping.
You should have seen by the look in my eyes that there was something missing. You should have known by the tone of my voice, but you didn't listen. You played dead, but you never bled. Instead you lie still in the grass, all coiled up in his side. And I know all about those men, still I don't remember. 'Cause it was us, baby, way before them, and we're still together. And I meant every word I said when I said that I love you. I meant that I love you forever. And I'm gonna keep on loving you, 'cause it's the only thing I wanna do. I don't wanna sleep, I just wanna keep on loving you. And I meant every word I said when I said that I love you. I meant that I loved you forever. And I'm gonna keep on loving you, 'cause it's the only thing I wanna do. I don't wanna sleep, I just wanna keep on loving I don't wanna sleep, I just wanna keep on loving
Once in a while, I treat myself to shopping at my local bougie grocery store. The detailed preparation that goes into the display of food makes you appreciate your purchases that much more. With their hairnets and gloves, everyone has a role to play, and they are taking pride within that role. Squeezing fresh juice, roasting coffee beans, the butcher cutting the daily catch, bakers baking loads of fresh baked bread in all different varieties, or the pâtissier's display of desserts and sweets. It's all a romantic, playful, intriguing art of selecting what suits my palate. Here, I'm taking my time, I'm taking things in, seeing the different varieties of gourmet food and different hybrids of fruits and vegetables that I've never seen is, well, it's an education that I much enjoy learning. This is not my usual weekly trip to Trader Joe's or Tom Thumb, where the shopping is task-driven. I'm checking items off a list, budgeting on the fly, trying to remember who eats what cereal. It's an intention space where I can enjoy my shopping experience and splurge a little. I'm going to be out of work this week due to the snowstorm, so I'm choosing things that I can take my time to make and enjoy. Central Market is also one of my secret weapons in event planning, in case I need a perfect red apple straight out of the movie Snow White, or individual desserts that are beautiful and magazine ready when I don't actually have the time to order anything custom. They always come through in a clutch. Okay guys, so these are the flavored coffees that I bought yesterday from Central Market. Going with amaretto, which is delicious. And I also got, this is actually the wrong tag. This is the chocolate cherry kind, but when I put in the code to scan it, it came up as pumpkin spice candy corn. But this is the chocolate cherry and it is delicious. It's one of my favorites. And then I got Banana Foster coffee, which is amazing. You guys know I love a good banana latte. I love banoffee, so it was a no-brainer. And this one just smells amazing. The beans alone smell amazing. And as you can see, all the coffee is sold by the pound, so you can totally try all the flavors. Just look at these prices. All of them are under like a couple bucks each, and I'm the only one drinking this coffee, so a little goes a long way. Okay guys, we're going to be flying the drone today. It is sunny outside, so we're gonna put the ND filters on. I think I'm gonna go with, what is this? This is the ND8, and this is the ND4. Let me see. I think I'm gonna go with the ND4. how did you do that so smooth? I had the knife and everything.
Just turn it.
Oh, you just turn it. Okay, I want the ND4 on there. The number 4. I think the 4. That's the darkest. Okay, so how you do it again?
Just
What would I do without you?
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Why?
the wind. There's no wind.
All right, go up and go forward to the car. So there's these 2 picture windows on my mother's side of the home that give off the perfect views of the snowfall that's happening outside. These windows are so therapeutic to stand and look out of. Most of us find ourselves gravitating towards them to just slightly pause for the moment. Which is part of the reason why she purchased this cooking cart off of Amazon, so she can stand in front of the window and take in the views, I guess, as she's whipping up something to eat. Now, I definitely have a lot to say about her being addicted to buying stuff off of Amazon and Temu, but I gotta be honest, I kinda like this cart. It's equipped with an electricity outlet, many slots for utensils and other things, such as cooking oils and condiments, and it has plenty of storage. On a day like today, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a test run and whip us up something comforting for lunch. Thing my mother and I have in common is that we have a pretty serious cookware fetish. Because I grew up caring more about the care of pots and pans than making food, I now have this same obsession. Baby, you can Le Creuset us to death. Anything Le Creuset, Williams-Sonoma, Crate & Barrel, Staub, we are all the way live. I remember proudly watching Food Network scouting the cookware before even getting excited about the food. It's one of the main reasons I'm obsessed with open kitchen concepts, like I'm trying to see what the pots and pans be like. So here I am unboxing 2 recent purchases, which happen to be Le Creuset limited edition 20-quart stock pots. Now, I'm not going to be cooking with these anytime soon. I'm only unboxing for the sake of this video. Now, later on, the kids are going to be doing a seafood boil cook-off, just a little friendly competition to see who makes the best seafood boil, and I'm going to let each one of them use these pots. Maybe I'll include that in this vlog, or if not, just stay tuned for the next one. Now, with the weather that we're experiencing, soup is definitely an obvious choice. I'm going to be making lobster bisque today, as it's one of my favorites. Now, this isn't any real legit recipe. I'll just be throwing this together the best way I know how. We're pretty much a household that is always out of something. We're always missing 1 or 2 ingredients. So again, this is kind of a go with the flow vibe, but I definitely want to bring you guys along as I make it.
You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, Yeah, sometimes I fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once.
You were born, it was thunder. Fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. The heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. If we met in a year or two, would you set your eyes on me? Wear your heart on your sleeve, nothing in between. Oh, come back, caress. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. Some say love must hide to count. Some say love must hide to make a difference. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. Come back, rain. Quiet this. Come and ease.
Yeah, it's a day, or tonight is the night. Give me something to savor, don't be fighting the flight. It's a natural reaction, don't be switching the cover up. This attract the attraction, you in similar fashion to my Angela Bassett. Let me get you in groove. If you feeling the passion, just know I'm matching the mood. And all less a distraction, you more than something to be used up. Take a seat in the passenger while we test out the cruise. When you move, I don't ever wanna stop.
lunch today. I got a little dessert cup. And let's see. Got delicious lobster bisque that we just made, and some naan bread, some kombucha, and that's my water jug. So, yeah. This ghetto Lululemon bag.
Biggest. Niggas desire to fit in, I was invited. Pistol whipped a few niggas, he got indicted. When you face it for years, it's time to fight it. I shook the prosecutor, right back, Johnny Unitas, Perry Mason, Gary Payton, Double M nigga, I live amazing. Dope boy alumni, such a classy unit. All double R's at the class reunion. Pistol heavy.